In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin header in Wix Studio. To get started, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Make sure you are on the page where you want the header to stay visible while visitors scroll. This effect is useful because it keeps your navigation in view at all times, which can make your site feel smoother and easier to use. Once your site is open, go to the header area at the top of the page and click on an empty space inside that section. It's important to click on the header itself and not on a logo, menu, or any other element inside it. You will know you've selected the correct area when you see the bounding box appear around the section and the label says header. That visual confirmation helps make sure you are editing the container and not one of the items placed inside it. After the header is selected, move to the top right of the editor and click the inspector icon if the inspector panel isn't already open. This panel gives you access to the settings for the selected element, so opening it is the next step in adjusting how the header behaves while someone scrolls through the page. In the inspector, look for the header settings section. Inside that area, find the scroll effect dropdown. Click it and choose freeze. This tells Wix Studio to keep the header fixed in place as the page moves underneath it. If your goal is to create that clean modern pinned header effect, freeze is the setting you want. Next, select the overlap option and set it to next section. This allows the content below the header to slide underneath it as the visitor scrolls. It creates a polished visual transition and helps the pinned header feel intentional rather than distracting. If your header has a background color or some transparency, this effect can look especially nice in preview. Once that's done, click Preview to test the result. Scroll through the page and confirm that the header stays in place, and that the next section moves underneath it the way you expect. Previewing is a good habit because it lets you catch spacing or visibility issues before making the change live. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish so your updated header behavior appears on your live site. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.